all white theme 3-in-1 peripheral combo set. A lot of people keep looking to buy gaming keyboard and mouse combos, right? You people came to the right video. Today in the house I have something very interesting to show you all. It's Gamdias recent launch product Hermes E4. Basically it's like a 3-in-1 gaming combo which includes a 60% compact mechanical keyboard, also has a gaming mouse and a gaming mouse pad also, guys. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. On top of that, this is a special white edition. You know, these days white is like the new trend, right? So I was also like very excited to see how it actually looks in person. So there you go, this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Pricing is also like very reasonable. Stay tuned, I'll talk about the pricing at a later part. So as soon as you open it, we've got the stuff at the top. First of all, this is the mouse you're getting. It's a white themed RGB gaming mouse with up to 12,800 dpi and has 7 buttons on board. Keeping that aside, this is a keyboard that you'll be getting in this combo set. It's a 60% very compact mechanical keyboard. Yes, you heard that right, it's a mechanical keyboard and has red switches on board. And lastly, in the package you get a mouse pad. This is your mouse pad, guys. This is also like white themed only to match up with your entire peripheral theme. And oh wow, this actually looks quite beautiful, right? Look at the whole designing and theme as well. Very beautiful. Not to miss out, you also get a free keycap puller as well included in the package. So that's it. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at the mouse and show you how the design and build quality looks like. There is no special name for individual components. Everything goes in together and is called as Hermes E4 3-in-1 combo set. And basically mouse is a beautiful RGB gaming mouse. It's actually pretty decent in size and has an ergonomic design, guys. Very comfortable in the hand. Totally on board you're getting 7 buttons. Your left and right click is a DPI change button. Scroll wheel is also clickable. To the left you have your forward and back buttons, and on the bottom you have your optical sensor. It's an advanced sensor made for gaming with up to 12,800 dpi level and comes with standard cable. That's it about the mouse. And keeping that aside, talking about the keyboard, as I've told you, it's a very compact 60% mechanical keyboard and has Gamdias own certified red switches. So it's available in like 4 different variants. Today we have the red switch variant, and as you can see, guys, very beautiful looking design, and build quality of these products is also very good. Actually has like a solid and tough body. Entire case is made of like a polycarbonate material in a premium and silky smooth white texture. Going to the top you have a Type-C port for connectivity, and at the back you just have the Gamdias Hermes branding, and that's it, nothing else over here. Some rubber foot pads on all the corners. So that was about the keyboard as well. And talking about the mouse pad, well, it's a smooth surface reinforced fiber mouse pad, guys, in white finish, and has beautiful Gamdias branding on the top. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect all of these peripherals to my PC setup and show you how they look like. Alright guys, I'm back. Peripherals are all set up and here's how they look like. Initial impressions, very premium look and feel, right? Love the subtle RGB lighting as well. First of all, let me tell you about the mouse. Hermes E4 package offers a wired gaming mouse and has an ergonomic design. Feels quite comfortable in the hand. It's got good quality TP mouse feet and smoothly glides over the mouse pad. Not the lightest one I've used, but pretty manageable. It's well suited for both claw and grip style players. It has a total of 7 buttons on board and all of them were like easily accessible, and quality of those buttons are also nice. The brand says lifespan is around like 3 million clicks. And how can you miss out that beautiful RGB lighting all around the body? It's a plug and play device, no software required to install on your PC. A button on the bottom cycles to 13 different lighting effects on board. And now talking about the performance, they haven't exactly specified what sensor they've used. They only mentioned it's like an advanced optical sensor certified by Gamdias and offers a DPI range from 1200 to 12,800, adjustable in 6 different steps. I've been using it for a while for my day-to-day stuff and also gaming as well, and I have to say mouse was definitely doing a good job. Comfortable design, decent accuracy and beautiful RGB lighting. Nothing you can complain at that price tag, though I wish it was a little bit lighter. Now moving on to the keyboard, I've told you right, it's a 60% compact mechanical RGB keyboard. It's got a very clean, compact look and feel and definitely gives premium sort of vibes. You're getting 61 keys on board, that too with 13 different RGB lighting effects on board, all adjustable on the go using a function key. Talking about comfort, definitely comfortable, but if you're new to this 60% layout, you might take some time adapting. And not to miss out the fact, it features mechanical key switches. I would have loved to see Cherry or maybe like Gateron switches over here, but Gamdias went with their own certified switches. We have the red switch variant on our model, and it's primarily made for like gaming purpose and have like a linear sort of action. Very subtle, not that tactile, and makes much less noise than the blue switches. Just listen to this sound. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our quick review on the Hermes E4 3-in-1 combo pack from Gamdias. Overall, very good package, I would say. You're getting premium quality products, either it be the mouse or even the keyboard. Only thing I felt is if the price was slightly a bit lower, it would have been a steal deal, guys. It costs around 4,000 rupees. Anyways, what do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.